We are currently in South Weber for South Weber Days, watching South Weber Days fireworks.
I guess we are.
We didn't get a chance to watch any on 4th of July, so this is kind of a little makeup.
Excuse me. Way to go. Woo!
We're positioned really good.
I just keep adjusting this. Like,
They can have their act.
10 o'clock. That's cool.
I like those.
I know, those are so cool. That's insane.
Hey Sam, come down, man. Girl.
Woo!
It's on YouTube, bro.
There's a heart, dude. Did you see it?
Another heart?
It looked like it.
On your screen.
It looked like legit. Like,
Probably would have been red.
huh? It for real looked like it. Whatever. They all keep popping up in this box right here.
Those booms are gonna sound on camera.
Oh, I know, huh?
Probably sound all weird.
Probably just like,
Yeah.
or something, just, yeah.
I recorded like 4 minutes of this already.
I only got 2 minutes, 52 seconds.
Girl, it's like all windy, so it's blowing.
Woo!
Awesome.
That was cool.
Yeah, not really. Now it's cold.
I'm gonna have nightmares about freaking ladybugs all the time now. That's freaking ridiculous.
Let it go.
No, for real, that was just ridiculous, wasn't it? Like, what? What? Like, what?
Freaking out on me like, what the heck?
You're just like, what? I'm like, bro! I was like, ah! Bless you!
Well, that one was cool.
Woo!
Boom!
That was cool.
How?
Hiya, Papa. Oh,
You see it?
That was sideways.
Sideways heart. That was so cool.
That was awesome.
I'm on camera too, bro.
Oh yeah.
Oh, dang. Dang! 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 Wait, what?
That didn't work out.
Okay, we'll just go. I don't know. We have to work this out. Dang! 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 Oh, look at showers. Did a shower. My thing's gonna die.
Why?
The battery's just gonna die. Is that ridiculous?
I love those kind. They're so cool.